Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Quest, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. We need to begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the top left corner. Now, before adding a new one, hit those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Then adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're done, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to add new alarm. Then set up an hour and click on OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you can adjust it by clicking on Repeat. You can tap on days of the week that you wish to exclude. I will go with Fridays. Now click on this little icon with a check mark next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. When you're ready, click on this bell next to Vibrate. Then you can choose Add New at the top, pick any song from your device and click on it to apply it. Or go back and choose one of those sounds instead. Just click on the best one and go back. Now you need to select Label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then tap on OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to edit time at the top, click on it, change it, and hit OK again. To hide all of those settings, click on the bottom right corner. In order to disable your alarm completely, tap on the red switcher next to it. You can turn it on by hitting the same, now gray one. In order to delete your alarm completely, tap on the same icon at the bottom right corner to make settings visible, and then hit Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!